Hello, this is Mike with Clark County Plumbing. I am at 2009 G Street in Vancouver. We just installed a pipe patch and descaled the sewer line and installed a clean out at the back side of the property. I've pushed up from the clean out upstream to the 90 that's going into the vertical vent stack, and I'm approximately 60 feet out, and I'm going to start my inspection by pulling backwards from the house towards the street. Right now it appears we're in a 4-inch cast iron. You can see some debris on the side there. That's from our descaling process, and with water flow, this will wash out. We don't have access into the house to flush this, but with water flow, this will flush out. This is all loose debris that we cleaned off the pipes. Now it appears we've transitioned into the 4-inch concrete. And here's the beginning of our pipe patch. You can see a little bit of painter's tape that's still left over. Same thing, this will get washed down with water usage. And like I said, we don't have access to the to water right now, but this will get washed down with use. And you can see the seam right there. This is where the separation was in the concrete pipe, and it's all sealed up and looks great.